Welcome. If you want to send data from Android smartphone to your OnePlus 8, for the first you have to go to the Google Play Store, and right here you have to download application from the OnePlus to transfer data. So right here tap on the search and type OnePlus, click on it. Let's download this application, and right now we are going to open it on the OnePlus 8 and also on our Android smartphone. In this case this is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Accept with this marker and tap on the agree, click on the start, tap on the allow a few times, allow all the time, tap on the settings, turn on the permission, go back, click on the open, click on our OnePlus Switch and click on this marker to allow use tracking, go back again, and right now we can start. So let's click on it and turn on the location and let's start again. Click on the I'm a new phone on the OnePlus and use the location marker, and right here choose the other Android, click on the next, also click allow few times, and right now we can scan QR code. Our smartphones are connecting and we have to wait a little bit. Tap on the update, click on it done, and right now we can start again. So let's open this application, I'm a new phone, older Android, tap on the next, and right now start scanning QR code again. Right now we give every permission and we update everything so it will be works, and as you can see here you have to choose all data that you want to send. In my case I'm going to unselect all of these things because there is only example, and I will go only for the pictures, and maybe I can take this camera pictures. Tap on the select, go back, click on the start, okay, and right now it is sending and it's finished. So right now when we are moving to the gallery of our smartphone, we'll find there those pictures that we sent from Android phone to our OnePlus. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.